The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Good morning. If I didn't see it, I would not believe it. But evil is real. Trust me. Look at that. This is what I stumbled on this morning. What sweet for the kids. See them black spots they follow making it out? I melted black candle. And all they telling me it do have Obeah out here. It have Obeah. People working bad. You understand? Evil, Illuminati business, Baphomet. And what she right by the cemetery. So somebody in trouble.
My people, I see quite a number of videos circulating on social media with Obeah witchcraft and voodoo allegations. And on a real, those allegations are getting somewhat scary to me. On a real, you know. I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media with Obeah and witchcraft allegations. The video shows a circle on the ground somewhere out there in the world. I don't know where when the video be recorded. A person we can hear talking in the video said something about a cemetery. My people, let me know what to think about that video. Alright? Yeah, let me know what to think about that video. Alright? Yeah, let me know what to think about Obeah and voodoo and witchcraft and those things, you see? Alright, so I have some more things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, and I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show at least 3 persons. And according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the video shows a person who seems as if he do not know how much is 3,500 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, like when you add $3,500 together, that would be $1,500. It seems as if the person do not know how much is 3,500 Jamaican dollars. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think the person do not know how much is 3,500 Jamaican dollars, or if you think the person was joking. Some harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yeah. Van for Rivers Day.
Yeah.
Everyone in place.
Yeah.
You like a Perry.
Yeah.
Some more place.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, if you tell me how much then
If you tell me the 3 money, how much?
How much then 3,500 is?
No. You give me.
3,500 I give me right now.
Right. What?
No. You send 3,500.
Serious business.
1,500.
Serious business.
Then 3,500.
No, don't talk about. Don't talk about. Don't talk about. Don't talk
How
about.
much I give me right? How much then 3,500?
What money? This pass joke to blood clot.
3,500 is 1,500. Tell me how much money is the gear right now.
No, this pass fucking joke. A serious business.
I know in all this blood clot one. Tell me how much money is right now.
You man, give money if you tell him how much.
You have a last chance.
One more chance.
Big man, this 3,500 is 15 days. Tell me how much money is the gear right now.
Right.
4 fucking thousand. You can't get it. You can't get it.
Can't get it. Where say? This $3,500 is how much?
1,500.
15 days.
Tell me how much money is this? Give it right now. You can't get it.
Can't get it.
Can't get it.
Van. No, Van. No, your body to go. Your body of fuck. I best.
The man holding those $3,500 gave him the answer, you know? The man holding onto those $3,500 gave him the answer, you know, viewers and subscribers. See? Everyone who me know who cannot read and write. No money, you know. See? You might can fool them when it comes down to reading and writing, but you cannot trick them when it comes down to them money. Even though them can't read and write, they know how much money you owe them or how much money in a for them pocket, you know. No, and I really tell me people, tell me what you think about that video. Tell me if you think that man was joking. Tell me if you think that man really and truly do not know how much is 3,500 Jamaican dollars. Tell me what you think. Now, I want to ask each and every male adult one question. Would you allow your father to comb and dry your hair? Would you? Now, the reason why I asked you that question is because of a edited video that I saw circulating on social media. And believe me, some really negative and positive comments have been made on social media about the edited video that I saw. So that's why I would like to know what you think. You see? Some of those negative comments that have been made on social media about that edited video that I saw, I would not repeat them to you, my viewers and subscribers. No. See? Now, according to some things that have been said on social media about the edited video that I saw, allegedly it is said that the edited video shows a father combing and drying his son's tall hair. I did not confirm that the edited video shows a father combing and drying his son's tall hair. No, because I do not know those persons. But according to some things that have been said on social media about the edited video, allegedly it is said that the edited video shows a father combing and drying his son's tall hair. So men, leave your answer or answers in the comment section of this video. Alright? And see if I can keep it clean. You see me I say, yeah, I'm not doing this video to disrespect anyone. And females, you can let me know what you think as well too, you know. You see? Yeah, you can let me know what you think as well to females, alright? Alright. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a few persons in water with a certain amount of fishes. I do not know if those persons was at a beach or in a pool or what, but the video shows a few persons in water with a certain amount of fishes. And in my point of view, a female shown in the video seems to be scared because she was in the water with those fishes. Now, I am not no ichthyologist. I am not any farmer scientist who study fishes. You understand? So therefore, I do not know the names of those fishes shown in the video that I'm about to present to you. So I'm going to ask you two questions. One, would you go into the water with those fishes that you are about to see in the video that I am about to present to you? Two, what are the names of those fishes that you are about to see in the video that I am about to present to you? Leave your answer or answers in the comment section of this video. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Get me out, get me out, get me out. Get me out, 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 get me out.
My people, not even in my dreams me are going at that water with those types of fishes, especially one of those types of fishes shown in the video. See? Yeah, I might take certain chances with those small ones, but not those bigger ones that you can see in the video. Not even in my dreams. You think I joke me I make? So I got some information about a robbery that happened within the country that is known as Guyana. And I also saw videos circulating on social media about the robbery. See? Now, according to some information that I got about the robbery that happened within the country that is known as Guyana, it is said that on the 24th of September, the year 2021, somewhere within the country that is known as Guyana, a man robbed a man with a knife. It is said that the robber used the knife to cut a backpack from off of the man's back and then made his escape. It is said that some things was in the backpack, allegedly a certain amount of money. And according to some more information that I got, it is said that the victim of the robbery is a police officer within the country that is known as Guyana. I also got information that somehow the police within the country of Guyana had apprehended the robber on the same day of the robbery. My people, according to some comments that I've made on social media, it is said that police officers who apprehended the robber gave him a fine thrashing, meaning that them beat him, right? I also saw a picture that shows the robber while he was handcuffed. See? So it is said that after those police officers apprehended the robber, they brought him into police custody, or some people that said them bring him to jail then. You see what I say? But on a real, some of the comments made on social media about the whole situation gave me the understanding that some persons are talking about the robber who robbed a policeman. It is said that the police officer who was the victim of the robbery was not wearing any police uniform at the time when he had been robbed. And it is said that the robber spit on a police officer who was trying to arrest him. The people, yes, so me I go left it, you know. Big up and respect. Let me know what you think about the things that I talked to you about in this video. Until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla Entertainment.